Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What if I told you happiness is not something you find, it's something you build every single day? Look around you. Some people stay positive even in the hardest situations, while others struggle even when everything seems fine. So, what's the difference? It's not luck, it's not money, it's not talent, it's habits. Today, I am going to share with you 6 powerful habits of happy people. Habits that can completely change your mindset, your energy, and your life. And the best part, you can start today. Habit 1. They practice gratitude daily. Happy people don't wait for big achievements to feel grateful. They appreciate the small things, the morning sunlight, a good meal, a simple conversation. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's already there. Start with this. Every day, write down 3 things you are grateful for. It may feel small at first, but over time, it rewires your brain to see positivity everywhere. Habit 2. They control their thoughts. Your mind is powerful, but here's the truth. If you don't control it, it will control you. Happy people are not free from negative thoughts. They just don't let those thoughts stay. They replace I can't do this with I will try my best. This is impossible with this is a challenge. Remember, you become what you think repeatedly. So choose your thoughts wisely. Habit 3. Take care of your body. You can't live a positive life with a tired and unhealthy body. Happy people respect their body. They move, they rest, they recharge. Even a 20-minute walk can change your mood. Even good sleep can change your mindset. Your body is your home. Take care of it because when your energy improves, your happiness follows. Habit 4. They surround themselves with positive people. Energy is contagious. If you spend time with negative people, you will feel drained. But if you surround yourself with people who support, inspire, and uplift you, you grow faster. Happy people choose their circle carefully. Habit 5. They focus on progress, not perfection. Perfection is a trap. It makes you wait, it makes you doubt, it stops you from starting. Happy people don't aim to be perfect. They aim to be better than yesterday. Even 1% improvement daily creates massive change over time. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start now. Habit 6. They live in the present moment. Most people live in two places, regret of the past or anxiety about the future. But happy people live here in the present. One of the biggest misunderstandings about life is this. People think happiness is something they will find someday. They say, I will be happy when I succeed. I will be happy when I have more money. I will be happy when life gets easier. But the truth is, life does not work that way. Happiness is not waiting for you in the future. It is being quietly built by the choices you make today. Your life is not defined by your past mistakes, your current struggles, or how far you still have to go. It is defined by what you choose to do next. So start today, not with something big and overwhelming, but with something small and real. Be a little more grateful, think a little more clearly. No one is coming to change your life. No perfect moment is coming. No sudden transformation will happen overnight. And the longer you wait for things to feel easier, the longer you stay where you are. But here's the empowering part. You don't need everything to change. You just need to start. A better life is not built in one big decision. It's built in small moments like choosing to get up when you want to stay down, choosing to try when you feel afraid, choosing to stay consistent when it feels boring, choosing growth over comfort. These moments don't feel important, but they are everything because over time they create confidence, strength, discipline, happiness. You are not behind, you are not too late, you are not stuck forever. You are in the middle of becoming, so take a breath and start again. Not perfectly, but intentionally. Even if it's small, even if it's slow, just don't stop. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.